Whenever we release a new product, we always get asked, when are you going to do the G502 wireless? Today is a very exciting day. Gamers all over the world love the G502 for its incredible performance and amazingly customizable features. The G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse has all the same great features like 11 programmable buttons, a hyper-fast scroll wheel, weight tuning, and Lightsync RGB technology. But now we've added advanced button tensioning, Lightspeed wireless technology with our most advanced Hero 16K sensor, and of course PowerPlay for continuous wireless charging. For years we've been developing our ecosystem of Lightspeed wireless technologies that make light, powerful wireless gaming mice. When you combine this with the complete redesign of the internal structure of the mouse, you can enable a wireless experience without compromising the original qualities that made the G502 so amazing. Now you don't have to choose between the freedom of Lightspeed wireless technology and the popular high-performance design of the G502. To find out more about the G502 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse, head over to logitechg.com and keep playing.